Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today I am back with order letter. In this video, we learn how to write an order letter, otherwise, how to place an order writing a letter. But the very first thing that we must know, what is an order letter? What an order letter is. Order letters that place an order are often sent by individual. These are often written by an individual, firm, organization, or institution to another individual, firm, organization, or institution when they want to buy some products, when they require some products, whenever they want to buy some products, otherwise services from them, whom they are writing an order letter. Such letters mention the product or services to be bought. In these letters, in such kind of letters, it is clearly mentioned. The very first one, the name of the product, otherwise brand name. Which product do you want to purchase? Order quantity. What is the number of products you want to purchase? Unit price. What is the price per unit? Trade discount, if any. Trade discount. If you are purchasing bulk quantity, then you may ask trade discount. Usually, these discounts are given to such organizations like schools or any big firm because they order in a bulk quantity. How the product should be packed, you can mention in the letter itself how the product should be packed. It must be well packed. Where the delivery is to be made, where do you want the delivery? Who will bear the dispatch or delivery charges? Who will bear? Who will be responsible for delivery or dispatch charges? Next, delivery time. When do you want to get your delivery? You may mention in the letter. Mode of payment. What type of payment are you going to make? Nowadays, UPI is very popular, but there are other NEFT, check, draft, demand draft, and there are many cash as well. Time needed for payment if you require some more time for making payment. Penalty for delay in delivery, if any. If they are making any delay, if they are delaying your parcel, then you may ask for penalty if there is any such condition. Warranty conditions. What will be the warranty conditions? You may write all these things in the form of letter. But as I have mentioned above, that not all the above mentioned details need to be mentioned in each type of order letter. Now we'll talk about how to write an effective letter of inquiry. It is not very easy task to write such a letter, but with me it will be easy. First of all, you have to notice concise. That is for all the letters. Mind it. Your letter must be brief and to the point. Next, courteous. You must be polite in your language. So, your language must be polite. Next thing, detailed terms and conditions. You have to mention detailed terms and conditions in your letter. Now, the format. If you have watched my earlier videos on letter to the editor, letter of complaint, letter of inquiry, then it will be the same in all the kind of formal letters. So once again, first of all, sender's name, leave a line. Date, date format, I would like to tell you once again. Suppose it's 23 May 2020. Then you will write like that, 23 May 2020. Otherwise, another format you can choose, May 23, 2020. You have to follow only these two. Don't be confused. After date, leave a line. Then receiver's address. In receiver's address, you have to write the sales manager. Then leave a line after writing the address of the receiver. Then leave a line, subject. Your subject must not exceed 4 to 5 words. Always keep in mind. It must be catchy as well. Once again, leave a line, as you can see here. Then salutation, sir, dear sir. Body of letter. So you have written where, sir or madam, body of letter. What is body of letter? It may consist of at least 3 paragraphs, 3 short paragraphs. In the first one, introduction, middle one, detailed, and in the third one, your suggestion and whatever do you want to say. Then last topic in the letter, last thing in the letter is complimentary closing. How do you write complimentary closing? For writing complimentary closing, you have to write yours. Don't use apostrophe. Yours truly. Otherwise, yours faithfully. Otherwise, yours sincerely. So these can be used, but never use apostrophe in your yours, where you have written yours. Just below it, you have to mention your name. Suppose I have written yours truly. Just below it, my name Purushottam Vishwakarma. And just below it, if I have any designation, suppose I am librarian of a school, then I'll write librarian along with my contact details. So let's see a question related to this type of letter. You are Nalin or Nalini, hostel warden, Janith Public School, Gorakhpur. Write a letter to the sales manager, Bharat Electronics Limited. It can also be pronounced Bharat Electronics Limited, otherwise Bharat Electronics Limited. New Delhi, placing an order for a few fans, microwave ovens, geysers, tube lights that you wish to purchase for the hostel. Also ask for the discount permissible on the purchase. So let's see the answer. First of all, the very first thing you have to mention sender's address. That means your address that is already given in the question. What is given? Janith Public School. Where is this school? Gorakhpur. If you know the pin code, you can mention, as I have mentioned, 273001. Next, leave a line. Date when you are writing the letter. 23rd May 2020. You have to write on the date you are writing the letter. Once again, leave a line. As you can see here, I have left a line. Sales manager, whom you are writing? To the sales manager. Bharat Electronic Limited, New Delhi. If you know the code, you can mention from 110030. Then comes your subject after leaving a line. Once again, leave a line. Subject, required electrical goods for hostel. You have to mention like that, not more than 4 to 5 words. Always mind it, it must not exceed a complete line. Always try to write such a subject that does not exceed a single line. Just below it, after leaving a line, sir, the salutation. Then just below it, start writing as the new session of the school is going to start. Don't be formal. Write as the new session of the school is going to start from 1st April onwards, we want you to supply the following electrical goods for the school hostel at the earliest so that the students don't face any kind of inconvenience. So you are writing to the sales manager of Bharat Electronics Limited. Then you may draw a table, otherwise simply you can write as I have drawn a table for the item and brand quantity. First, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we want? Item, ceiling fans, brand USA. You can write any, whatever do you like. You can write LG, you can write any other brand. Quantity, 15. Table fans, same, 15. Microwave ovens, it is not required too much, so only 2. Brand LG, life's goods. Fourth one, geysers, 5 geysers are required. In the same way, fifth one, tube lights. What do you want? Tube lights of Philips. You can write any number, but it must be satisfactory, up to the point, not a hypothetical. Then just below it, please send the goods to the school on any weekday between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. You have to mention the delivery time as you have already seen in the list. I have told you the name of the product, its serial number, brand name, order quantity, unit price, trade discount, how the product should be packed, who will bear the dispatch delivery charges, delivery time, mode of payment, everything you have to mention. You are also requested to send the bill after allowing the discount permissible for school. You are asking discounts as well on bulk purchase. Payment will be made after the consignment is received. You have a condition. What is the condition? Payment will be made after the consignment is received and checked by the hostel committee of the school. Change the paragraph. Further, please ensure the quality of the consignment. If defects are found in the products, the whole consignment will be returned without any payment. So you are giving another condition. Please ensure the quality of the consignment. If defects are found in the product, the whole consignment will be returned without any payment. For any inquiry from your side, if you want any inquiry from us, feel free to contact the undersigned. Then, as it is written in the question, complimentary closer, complimentary closing, thanking you, leave a line, yours faithfully, Nalin, Nalin or Nalini, you are hostel warden, your mobile number. It can be imaginary, you can put any such number, otherwise simply you can make a cross here